I'm Sawyer. I stand on results, real trades, real income and properties. Weekly more than 50,000 bucks is my normal. In Telegram I share free strategy work, practice and my personal signals. Join my community and message me. Build results worth standing on. Experience also means knowing when not to enter. Flat sessions, random spikes, chaotic rhythm, all warnings. If I don't see structure, I don't trade. No clarity means no edge. Sometimes the best move is no move. Here we will open a trade for an upward movement. We've immediately found a good entry point. Let's highlight the working area to explain this trade. Overall, we can see an upward trend. We will draw the trend line and we can notice a solid point of contact. In theory, from this area the price should reverse and move upward. We also see that the pullback is coming to an end, and since the CCI indicator is exiting the oversold zone, we open our trade in the direction of the trend, upward. Trading is not just about copying signals, it's about understanding the logic behind every move. That's exactly what I teach in my free practical strategy session. You will learn how to trade properly, get daily signals, and join a real learning community in Telegram. Hit the link below and start your free session now. We have 20 seconds left before the trade closes, so you can already see the result. There is nothing complicated here. In this setup we work not from the alligator but from the fractal and our CCI oscillator. The first trade closes in profit. Confirmation doesn't need perfection. Even small hints like a weak rejection matter. When logic and behavior align, I move confidently. I don't need proof, I need alignment. That's how consistent direction feels. Here we will open a trade for a downward movement. I will be waiting for a further pullback down, focusing on the alligator indicator. Let's highlight the working area so I can explain the logic behind this entry. We can see that the overall trend is downward, and what we are watching in the crossover of the alligators moving averages. The jaw line is turning upward, while the leaves are moving downward. This tells us that a bearish dynamic is likely to dominate over the next candle. We can also see that a new local high has formed, which means the market should form a new local low soon. Based on the current price movement, it's expected to happen somewhere in this area, so let's observe. Just a little over 10 seconds remain before the trade closes, and the trade ends in profit. After all these years, I stopped seeking signals. Now I just look for truth in price, because direction isn't found, it's felt. When analysis meets peace, trading becomes art, and every minute candle tells a story worth listening to. The mistake most traders make is guessing reversals. They see a red candle and think it's a trend change, but one candle never defines direction, structure does. I wait for confirmation, pullback, reaction, and continuation. That's where clarity begins. Most beginners fail because they learn alone or rely on random strategies. In my community, you get real guidance, free practical training on charts, detailed breakdowns of market behavior, and daily signals with 70% accuracy. Nothing is hidden behind payments or subscriptions. The goal is to make you confident in every trade you take. Join the Sawyer community and start developing a structured approach. They actually works.